Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon and good evening whenever and wherever you're watching us from. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at the trial balance, particularly grade class 9, which is just grade 9 examination paper 20 of 2024. Okay, so with me here is what's her name?
Emma Chanda.
Emma Chanda. She's one of the students here. Okay, so we are going to prepare together this trial balance. Now look at this. If you read the trial balance, so here is your paper. So it reads, the following trial balance was extracted from Alan Lumbwe's books, prepared by an inexperienced bookkeeper. Okay, so here we are told that this trial balance was already prepared. In fact, it's already prepared, as you can see here. Okay, it is already prepared. But the person who prepared it had little or no knowledge on what? Bookkeeping. Are we together? Okay. Now you have to be very careful here. When we say it was prepared by an experienced bookkeeper or an incompetent bookkeeper, doesn't mean that everything is wrong. Are we together? Doesn't mean that what
Everything
is wrong. Some of the items are correctly entered. Are we together? Okay. So now we are required to redraft the trial balance with the correct what?
Title.
With the correct title. Okay? So meaning the title is wrong here. Okay? So his title was, in fact, it's trial balance for the year ended 30th October 2019. Now, what is supposed to be? What is supposed to be the correct title? Trial balancing as at. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. Trial balance as at 30th what? October 2019. Okay, what is the name of this person? Alan? Okay, so here you can also include the name of the person, Alan Lumbwe. Okay, now the title is now called correct. Are we together? Now, the first column here is for what? Details or party? Good. How about this one? This column? Okay, debit. Debit. So we can even write our currency. The currency we're using is kwacha. Okay. Then here we can write N ngwe. Okay. Then this side, credit. Okay, K, then N. Okay. Now, look at this. The first item here is what? Sales. Now, where do we take sales? Credit. So it was already, yes, correctly was correctly entered by this person. So we can leave it the way it is on the credit side as 4,963. Right? What's the next item? Stock. Now you need to ask yourself, is stock a liability or an asset? It's an asset, right?
Yes.
A current asset. So stock or assets go to the debit side of the trial balance. Are we together?
Yes.
Very good. So stock, if you check here, this person, okay, it was on the debit, right? Okay, so we're going to leave it on the debit side, right? As 2460. Okay, it was just okay. Let's go to the third item, which is purchases. Very good. Now, where do we take purchases? On the what? DR, which is debit.
Yes.
Okay. So this one was wrongly entered by this chap. Okay. As how much? So much?
4,000.
4,000. Okay. The next item.
Creditors.
Okay. creditors. Now, before we go to where creditors go, I want to make mention that it's how many marks is this question?
10 marks.
But within 10 minutes, you're supposed to be done answering this question. Are we together?
Yes.
This is one of the simplest topics in what, or questions in business what? Business studies. Okay? You don't have to fail to balance this one in the exam. In the exam. Very good. Now, creditors. Where do you take creditors? Credit. How much?
2,523.
2,523.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Debtors. Debtors. Where do we take debtors? Debit side. How much?
2,000.
80. 2,080. Next.
Furniture.
Furniture. Is it an asset or an expense? Asset, right? Okay, so where do we take this? Debitor. How much?
4,730.
4,730. 730. Very good. Next.
Electricity bills.
Electricity.
Bills.
Electricity bills. Good. Okay, so electricity what?
Bills.
Electricity bills. How much? So now,
720.
electricity bills, 720? Thank you. So electricity bills, these are expenses.
Expenses.
Yes. Assets and expenses we debit them. Are we together? Very good. Income liability we create? Very nice. Okay, so electricity 720. Okay, another one. Capital. Where do we take capital?
Credit.
Capital credit. Okay. How much?
6,504.
504. Okay. Next. We're done.
Yeah, we're done.
Okay. So once you're done, you can just put a line below the figures, then add. So you know that these are zeros. Yes. So you're going to have, it starts from here. 0, 0, 0, 0. Someone to add? Debit, someone to add to be adding on the debit side, another one on the credit side. Quickly. 13,000. 990. Like this. Yes. On the credit? Same amount? Yes. We can smile. We can do what?
Smile.
We can smile. Okay? So meaning our trial balance has what? Has balanced. Okay? Our trial balance has what? Has balanced. This is where we say, wow. Okay. So thank you so much. This has been Business Studies, the trial balance of 2024. Okay, we're doing this as we prepare for the 2025 exam, both external and what? Internal. Okay, so bye-bye. See you in the next video.